She believed his love was real.
They promised forever beneath the rain of Dhaka. But money changed everything.
Her heart shattered without a single word. I thought you loved me.
He erased their memories.
She didn't cry forever. She chose success over sadness. She didn't cry forever. Every failure became fuel. The world finally noticed.
While his empire quietly crumbled.
She walked in, stronger than ever, stronger than ever. I can't believe my eyes. The girl he abandoned became unstoppable.
Please, Maya, just listen to me. He begged for another chance. I cannot lose you. Please give me one more chance.
But some wounds never disappear.
She bought everything he once valued.
Respect cannot be stolen.
Karma arrived without anger.
Real revenge builds a better future. She turned pain into purpose. Then, love found her again.
This time, love came with respect.
He finally understood his biggest mistake.
The ending she truly deserved. The best revenge isn't revenge. It's living a life they can never be part of.